Good evening and welcome to the session number 23 from the chapter of units and measurements. The topic is the calculation of solid angle subtended by a right square pyramid at its apex. So the question here is, find the solid angle subtended at the apex of a right square pyramid of base side 40 meters and height 20 meter. The square pyramid has got a square base. So we have to find the solid angle which is subtended at the apex of this right square pyramid, and the formula for it is 4 sine inverse a square divided by a square plus 4 h square. Now here a is the length of each side of the base and h is the height. So the solid angle subtended at the apex of this right square pyramid by the base of it will be equal to 4 sine inverse. So this is the standard formula which I am using right now. This is available in the books. So this is a very simple question in which we have to simply put the values of a and h. So here a is the length of each side of the square base and h is the height. So a is equal to 40 meter. So this will be equal to 40 square divided by 40 square plus 4 into, now h here is equal to 20. So this will be equal to 20 square. So from here, the solid angle subtended at the apex of this square pyramid by the base will be equal to 4 sine inverse. This will be equal to 1600, and this will be equal to 1600 plus 1600. So the solid angle is equal to 4 sine inverse 1600 divided by, this will be equal to 3200. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. So now sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. But here we have to convert this 30 degree into radians. So that will be equal to pi by 6. So this is equal to 4 into pi by 6. So this is the solid angle, and the solid angle is expressed in stereadians. So this is equal to 2 pi upon 3 stereadians. So thank you very much for joining this session. Have a nice day. Bye.